Sliding door roller fittings up to 200 kilograms. Here we have a hardware set for the do-it-yourself area. To find out whether this hardware set is the right one for your project, see the data on the left below the picture. We have solutions for almost all door projects for your home. Easy to understand instructions for DIY enthusiasts are also included. There are 3 complete kits to choose from, which differ mainly in the material dimensions and number of holders. The function of these sets is identical. Such a set is always completed by the correct pair of slope rollers. The correct hanging roller must be selected depending on the load capacity. You can see which set with which hanging roller is used here in the overview. In summary, the fitting can support a door weight of 200 kilograms. This application example shows the use of the parts and the uncomplicated assembly in an easily understandable way. Finished.